Hey beautiful stars, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a review on this e.l.f. O Face Stained Lipstick. This is like the similar one. This is kind of the similar color that I got from e.l.f. like years ago. Where like it's the one where, and it's kind of the same concept, but it wasn't like the lipstick one. It was like a regular brown one, and in the bottom it had where like you could take off the small tube and it has extra like lipstick inside. That was pretty cool, and I had to throw that one away because it was getting rotten. It wasn't really good. So this is cruelty free. This is vegan, not animal tested. Really good. The first product that I ever got, I think that I got, is vegan. But all of the Burt's Bees lip balm is not animal tested, so it's all natural. So let's get into this. Oh, and my other like video I filmed before this was a haul video of what I got from Target. But this is in the shade Dive, and the number is 81786. This is the color. I'm gonna be linking down below all of the products that I showed you in the haul video. And I'm going to be linking down this lipstick, if it's good or not. I'm going to still put it down in the description where you can get this. So, I'm going to be opening this. Wait, be right back. Okay, so, I have a mirror here next to me. So, it was kind of stuck. Get it open. Oh, the only thing came out was the top. Oh, how this is stuck? I got it open. I got it out. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my god! Look at it. This is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, I used to hate. Okay, this is a big thing that I used to hate. Was like packaging. It was like velvety, like matte, soft. I used to hate that feeling. Where now I go crazy with any product that is matte, velvety, soft. So this is. Oh, I love that sound. Look. I was about to say look to the sound. I meant to say hear this sound. Kind of like an ASMR sound. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Yeah. Okay, that's the sound to do laundry upstairs. But look, hear this. Oh, I love that sound. So, be right back. Let me go get, if I could find my Hello Kitty mirror. If not, I'm going to use a mirror right over here. Okay, so I couldn't find my mirror, so I'm going to be, my Hello Kitty mirror, so I'm going to be using this mirror here. Or I'm going to be using my camera mirror here. So, I love how this is black matte on the outside. It says e.l.f. in the bottom. It has like the fingerprint, the number and the color. Okay, let's do the first smell. Oh, it smells like chocolate. I love that. I love e.l.f. lip product, like lipstick, because it has the imprint like e.l.f. right there. So it smells like chocolate. It smells like soft. It smells like chocolate. So I'm gonna be doing a tiny swatch so you can see how this looks. Okay, no way. That's like a perfect brown color. Look at this. That's like a perfect chocolatey brown, like a milk chocolate. Look at that. This is kind of similar to the one I have before, but the other one was like a little bit dark. So I'm gonna be applying this. Let's go. I have nothing on my lips, so let's go. Ooh. Oh, well, I love it. This is not like too dark, but this is like mix of light and dark. I love it. I love it. It's so soft and so creamy. I would get this. I will give this like a 10 out of 10. This did not disappoint me at all. So I recommend going to your local store where it sells e.l.f. and get the Face lipstick stain. Excuse me, I choked. But it's so cute, the color, and I love it. So let me get a towel, a napkin, so I can take it off to see the real if it stains or not. I'll just grab the towel, paper towel, so let's see if it stains. Ooh, I love the stain. It looks like a super light chocolatey red. This is how it looks. Like if I took it off the stain, I give this a 10 out of 10. I recommend you guys buying this 100%. This is gonna be my new best friend, because I used to have one like this, similar to this, but a little bit darker color, where like in the bottom, where like you could see, well, when you take off the lid from the bottom, it has like an extra extra lipstick in the bottom. So if you ran out in here, you have extra in the bottom. That was like very neat. That was like perfect. So my honest review, this is smooth when you apply. You need to like apply this smooth and soft, and not like this, or not like you have to build it up. If you want it opaque, you could like go like this, 1, 2, to make it opaque. But if you want not that much, go like this. Yeah. So it leaves like a good lip stain. Yeah. So for the lip stain, I love it. It's 10 out of 10. For this consistency, 10 out of 10. For everything, 10 out of 10. So I recommend getting this. And for the packaging, cute. It says e.l.f. and it's so soft. Oh, wait, almost fell. So soft. But before I end off this video, you know the show Two Broke Girls? Max, I fell in love with her like red lipstick she wears throughout the show. I was trying to find the lipstick she wears from the show, but I couldn't find any. But if I do find the lipstick, the red one she wears, I'm gonna make a whole video about it because I love lipstick. If I could choose any lip product ever in the world, it will be any lip product. It could be like chapstick, lip oil, lip gloss, lip liner, anything that has to do, any product has to deal with the lips, I would. But my second favorite thing is eyeliner, but my number one love is lipstick and lip product. I need my lips to look poppin'. I could go without makeup. I would. There's time to time where I do go on without makeup and just wear my lip products. Chapstick, lip balm. Chapstick, lip balm, they're the same thing, but like I could wear lipstick, lip balm, lip oil, sleep mask, whatever has to do with the lips, I wear them. But enough said. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And comment down below if you tried the Old Face stained lip, I was about to say lip gloss, but lipstick. If you try this, comment down below your rating, your opinion, and your overall English, please. Overall, your review on this. If you have your favorite lip colors from but your favorite color from this collection, comment down below. Maybe I will get it and try it on. So enough said. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day, night, day, whatever you are in the world. Have a good day. You are worth it. So stay beautiful, stars. Bye bye.